The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has lately undergone substantial revisions, with sources indicating an almost similar design as the FX. However, according to TechManiacs, the Z Fold 7 will be much thinner, measuring just 8.2 mm when folded. This is half the thickness of the Oppo Find N5, and it is about 4.7 mm thinner than the existing record. The discrepancy between what the leak revealed and what TechManiacs claims is due to the fact that both sources are trustworthy, having a legendary track record for early renderings and unique inside information. There's a possible explanation for this. Samsung may have pulled an audible, similar to what occurred with the S25 Edge. The phone is still in pre-production and has not yet reached the manufacturing line. Late-stage design overhauls are being considered, although one of them may be incorrect. Aside from the slim body, additional changes have been revealed, including larger inner and outer displays, a 200-megapixel primary camera, and a better under-display camera for selfies. The S Pen now functions like the Apple Pencil, however the battery capacity remains same. The Z Fold 7 will come preloaded with Android 16 and One UI 8, and new Galaxy AI capabilities have yet to be disclosed. During its most recent earnings call, Samsung revealed that the Trifold phone, which unfolds into a 10-inch tablet, would be available later this year. The phone may be teased during the July Impact Defend, but it will not be available right away. It is scheduled for a limited release at the end of the year. Samsung has also revealed that a revised Galaxy Watch will be released in July, known as the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Finally, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been touted to be a major engineering feat, with a thinner body, enhanced screens, and a revamped Galaxy Watch. While the phone may not be released immediately, it is supposed to be a major advance over prior generations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.